Hi guys, so congratulations to everyone who have received the ITA. There was a draw happened on 11th of June. Lowest CRS score 437. 3,559 people were invited, so that's a good news. And it is a lowest CRS score. Last time on May 28th, CRS cutoff for CEC draws were 440 and this time it's 437. So it's a good news for people who are there in the express entry pool for CEC, and it's a good news for the people who are there in FSW pool as well. Now there is a benefit as well for the people who are there in the FSW pool. The number of people who are getting out of the pool, let's say 3,559 people are out of the pool now, so that increases the chance of CRS to be dropped, right? So it might not go to 470, 475. The number of people who will start getting out of the pool in CEC draws and PNP draws, the chances for FSW draws to be reduced is more. So that's a good news. Now you must be wondering why draws are happening only for PNP and CEC. We have explained in other video as well that right now IRCC focus is on inviting people who are already there in Canada. CEC people, they have Canadian experience, they are already there in Canada, so it is very easy to onboard them, it is very easy to give them PR and process all the documents. It will be very difficult to invite people outside Canada who will land in Canada. It will be risk to their health, it will be risk to the people who they will contact in Canada, and they will have to quarantine for 14 days. There won't be any rental properties available, there won't be jobs, right? Job market is crashed right now. There are very few jobs in Canada. So right now they are doing good job, I think, because instead of stopping the immigration completely, they are at least targeting PNP and CEC people. And another thing, their focus has changed little bit on immigration as well. Slowly things have started moving. You must have heard that IELTS exam also started happening, obviously not at 100% pace, but few centers have started scheduling the IELTS exam. So if you go on the website, you will be able to see few dates for CELPIP and IELTS exam. So another good thing. So the crux is slowly things are starting opening up, and for sure you will see some positive impact in 2 months. We will make sure that we update latest information via our video. So please subscribe and press the bell icon. And in case you want to talk to registered IRCC immigration consultant, you can check this link, go to the website and schedule your appointment. Don't forget to like the video if this was informational. We keep uploading immigration related videos, so do not miss any video. Keep supporting us. Stay safe, stay healthy, stick around.